In this video, I have compiled a list of the top 5 best camping shovels in the market that are worth buying. So let's get started. Number 5. As one of the longest shovels in this review, the Mosfet camping shovel is great for giving you leverage. Or at the very least, it might help spare your back from unnecessary aches and pains. With a sleek design, the spade is made from steel, while the handle is made from aluminum. Making use of these two metals is how they managed to create a shovel that's both lightweight and durable, giving you the best of both worlds. It's also how you can get such an impressive full length without adding on the pounds. Speaking of length, I'm a fan of the longer shovels because it's easier to make use of my feet. And on the occasion that I don't need so much handle, it's easy to unscrew what portions are unnecessary. Since most of the weight is in the spade, you won't be cutting back on too many ounces, but it does reduce the overall amount of bulk. As is par for the course, the spade comes with a sawtooth edge as well. But on top of that, you also get a tactical knife, axe, whistle, bottle opener, bolt driver, and safety hammer. It's definitely one of my favorite products, simply because of how much stuff you get shoved into one package. Number 4. It's the longest product that we've reviewed so far. The Rhino USA survival shovel is hardly difficult to carry. As you can see in the image, the various shovel components can be screwed together, allowing you to customize the length of the handle. While that means there are more, smaller pieces to keep track of, the versatility is worth it in my opinion. One of my biggest complaints with camping shovels is their overall lack of durability. Rocks, roots, and other hard objects can make you wonder if your shovel is actually made from steel, which is to say, the metal bends far too easily when put under stress. However, much to my surprise, this tool by Rhino USA actually seems sturdy. The carbon steel is rigid and cuts through tough earth and rocks like they're butter. But don't think a shovel is all you get. There are several secret compartments in the handle that store a whistle, a fish scaler, a knife, a fire starter, and a glass breaker. And that's not even considering the shovel head itself, which can also second as a saw and a bottle opener. Overall, I would say that this is one of the best multi-tool shovels that you'll find on the market. Number 3. Tiger is a US-registered company that is known to make forged shovels that are made from solid steel carbon and aerospace-grade anodized aluminum tubes. This military-grade shovel not only provides quite good military-grade quality but also not lacks in hard military design. However, this shovel is really an expensive option, and that may be because of the quality of material used in manufacturing and the 16-in-1 multifunction feature. Tiger TG SVHU3217 is compact to the point where you can easily store it in your vehicle. It also makes it great for both camping and road trips. You can use this to dig out tires, break glass in emergencies, or to dig the hard ground for different purposes. What makes it a little different from the Ocul camp shovel is its unique instant switch mechanism where you just need to pull the slider to switch between 16 different modes. For some may 16th be too many. However, it is not ideal for the typical campers who want shovels for some easy purposes. But it is good for a person who is looking for a shovel that can do most of the things. Please write your uses on paper and then decide to buy this for specific people only shovel. Number 2. The Ocul Camp Survival Camping Shovel is one of the best picks for the best camping shovel. While it is a bit too heavy for backpacking endeavors, it is perfect for car camping, RVing, road trips, and as a basic camp tool. The head of the shovel is larger than most portable shovel designs, making it versatile enough to dig holes and move snow. This shovel is way more than just a shovel, though. It has a long list of other features, making it an excellent addition to a road safety kit. The survival shovel seems to have it all with an adjustable handle, fish spear, pickaxe, hoe feature, nail pick, emergency glass breaker, and ice scraper. The only thing that seems to be missing is a place to put a fire starter. Overall, this is a great shovel to have around. It is compact, easy to use, and multifunctional. Number 1. Shovel that deserve to call as a real military-grade survival camping shovel. This FA3 style unbreakable shovel has high strength and hardness because of the adaptation of foundry technology made of German martensitic stainless steel by 100% molding and casting. This 24-in-1 multi-tool can perform 32 functions like cutting, digging, fire starter, chopping, provides camera support, jack, break windows, cudgel, whistle, alpenstock, wire cut, fish hook, bottle opener, wire saw, safety rope, blade, fish scaler, peel, camping fixator, shoveling, ice road breaker and so on. It can change from one position to another under one button touched by one hand. The shovel is designed from thin to thick with no weak or weld parts. The shovel comes with 5 handles made of the OG aluminum and has built-in anti-skid silicone. That means you can work more smoothly. What I like most about is the company's confidence about the shovel's toughness, and can say they are quite right, as its 10mm joint part makes the shovel head hold up to 1,060 pounds without breaking, which makes it exceptional, and it kicks nearly every camping survival shovel out of the competition. However, the shovel is 3.97 pounds, which is the heaviest shovel on the list, but it is good that it's heavy because a shovel that is this advanced is too light, then you cannot really dig and cut. This weight really gives it great bearing capacity. Also, it is the most expensive shovel on the list. Why is it so? Because according to Zunla, to annihilate over 100 procedures and take near 3 months to make it a really good and useful tool. They say they do pay a lot to deliver the tip quality shovel to the point where when you got it you will feel thankful. Just so you know, you need to sharpen the knife and the shovel edges by yourself, as they cannot make the tools very sharp due to slipping problems, police safety, and policy. Don't worry, you can sharp the edges to the point where it is sharp like a real knife. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for now. I hope you guys liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Hope to see you guys in the next video.